I'm going to show you what is in this box. Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's open this box and then I'll explain what this video is all about. As some of you may be aware, these are the candle making workshops that we're going to be doing. These are essentially the note that we're going to give to people so that they can go through, learn about the different things that we do, scent wheels, scent pyramid, and all of the different things that we're going to teach the participants of the workshop everything about. Now, what we're doing first initially is to have a run through. So we're going to do this with family and friends. We're going to do it in my dad's barbershop, so we're going to clear a space. And just so that we can have a run through of the idea and everything that we need. And if we like mess up, then it's not going to be a huge issue. So let's get into it. I'm going to explain as I'm going along everything that we're going to be using, what we're going to be doing. Then I'll show you some of the actual workshop itself, how it's going to run, and sort of the ideas in my head. Try and articulate them through to you through a vlog. Yeah, and if you've got any specific questions, please let me know. Yeah. We've done our first workshop and we've got all the candles here. We're going to wrap them up and then give them to them, because if you make your own candles, you'll know that you need to let them cure for about a week, which we've let them do. And yeah, now we're going to wrap them and send them off with a little note. We're going to put another candle in there, maybe little ones. So yeah, and we're definitely going to do more workshops because it's a good way to market the product and sort of develop the brand and show people what we're really about. Yeah, let's get a pack in. So we're going to wrap them in the manifesto wrapping, just because I think it's quite a nice way to share the branding and share the message of the brand and really put that across. Yeah, got to do wrapping now, which I'm not very good at, but Mum is alright at, so I'll let her do most of it.